Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesday. My name is Alan Jørgensen from Web2Media. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Black Friday and giving you some insights on the tactical aspects of getting the most out of Black Friday. First off, I'd like to start in the Danish market, saying we were late adapters compared to what they do in the States, but now it's booming at best and the consumers are ready to get the full benefits of Black Friday. That's something you should take in consideration when you prepare your own Black Friday deals or setup, because what we've seen in particular last year, where we tested a lot of different setups, was that we don't need to provide 50% deals to the clients, to the customers. We could instead give them something that is a perceived value in the same level, get ourselves a better earnings on our selling, but still get the same amount of orders coming in. So one food for thought for you guys is that look at your current offering. Do you really need to remove all the margin? You can actually maybe do 25% free shipping or XY set on top of the deal, and people feel still that they have the best solution to you guys. You can also do price match or whatever added communication to that. So look at your margin, don't destroy it all. You can actually get away with offering something else than half price or what we've seen in the market so far. Secondly, I'm going to be focusing about the tactical parts of what is Black Friday good for. So would you sell a lot of stuff at a zero margin? What's really in it to be inside Black Friday? If you instead focus on doing two things. One is that obviously utilize Black Friday to get rid of a lot of your inventory, get a lot of new customers. Secondly, focus on getting permissions, meaning if you can get permissions up towards Black Friday, you can advertise cheaper when it's at a high rate just around Black Friday, but you can also start communicating with the customers afterwards. And that's a potential business booster if you do that right. One example could be that you can start communicating a month before that Black Friday is coming up. You can enlist in our VIP section or our membership section, hand over a permission for us to send you emails, and we can send you the right information. You could also go in and say a week before we open up for all our VIP club members, and then they'll feel both special treatment, but also you can start utilizing the fact that if you do relevant communication, you might get them to buy more than once. So we've seen a lot of good cases where you do that a week in advance, but on the day you do hourly offers, for instance. So you prepared your customers, perhaps already bought something for you, and then on the day you're going to be sending them hourly offers on email. Don't fear that they're going to churn. We've seen a minority do that because the fear of missing out is intense, especially on that day. So even though they receive maybe 15 emails in the wake hours a day, they might go in and act on 2 or 3 of them. So and then you could in the morning end up with saying you bought this from us yesterday, add this to your basket and you get free shipment, and then you can actually get them to use an even greater share of wallet on that day in your web shop. So that was one key insight you can take away from here. We also talk about digital marketing. You can also start thinking about, if you have such a strong offer to your clients or customers, you can send them a direct email. So, a direct mail, the physical part of it. If you have the address and the permission, you can actually stand out with this VIP offer of a week before. So you don't mass communicate it, but only communicate it to the people that you actually want to treat as VIP, but also with the higher intent of buying more from you guys. So that was 2 actionable things you can do for Black Friday. My name is Alan Jørgensen, and subscribe here for more videos.